What if everything you knew about buying an upright vacuum was wrong? The specs lie. The ads exaggerate. But the test results don't. Welcome back. Today, we're exposing the truth. After months of testing, burning through filters, and measuring real-world performance, I've discovered which 2026 upright vacuums actually deliver, and which popular models will leave you disappointed. One number 3 pick will completely surprise you. All links to buy the winners are in the description. Let's get started. Number 1. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Allergen. The Pet Hair Eraser Allergen Liftoff Vacuum is engineered to provide exceptional suction power, making it incredibly effective at eliminating dirt, pet fur, and dust. Its robust suction capabilities ensure that even the most stubborn debris is swiftly removed from your floors and carpets, leaving your home impeccably clean. This innovative vacuum features a detachable pod that allows you to clean with ease throughout your entire home. Weighing in as a lightweight canister, it enables you to reach difficult areas that traditional vacuums may struggle with. The quick-release extension 1 provides added versatility, making it simple to switch from cleaning large spaces to intricate corners and high areas. Number 2. Shark Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Lift-away functionality. The innovative lift-away feature allows you to detach the pod from the main unit, giving you the flexibility and convenience to clean above-floor areas with ease. This functionality is especially beneficial for tackling hard-to-reach spots such as stairs, furniture, and other elevated surfaces, ensuring comprehensive cleaning throughout your home. Anti-allergen complete seal. This vacuum is equipped with a complete seal system that works alongside a high-efficiency HEPA filter. It captures 99.9% of dust and allergens, keeping them trapped inside the vacuum cleaner. This is particularly important for allergy sufferers or those sensitive to dust, as it contributes to a cleaner, healthier indoor environment. The effectiveness is validated based on ASTM F1977 standards, which test the filtration of particles that are 0.3 microns or larger. Number 3. DREAME L40S Ultra CE Robot Vacuum. Experience exceptional cleaning performance with a remarkable suction power of 13,000 pascals, designed to tackle even the most stubborn dirt and debris. This robot vacuum and mop combo seamlessly adapts to a variety of floor types, effortlessly transitioning between hardwood, tile, and carpet. It ensures that every corner of your home is thoroughly cleaned, reaching deep into hidden spaces and providing a comprehensive cleaning solution for your entire living area. Whether it's removing fine dust from hard floors or lifting embedded dirt from plush carpets, this powerful suction capability promises a clean home environment. Enjoy the ultimate inconvenience with the robot vacuum's self-emptying power dock station. This innovative station not only automates the maintenance process but also handles multiple tasks to enhance your cleaning experience. The system intelligently refills the water needed for mopping, cleans the mopping pads, and even provides hot air drying to ensure optimal hygiene. Number 4. Shark NV501 Rotator. Detachable pod for cleaning under furniture or detach the nozzle to clean above the floor, on upholstery, furniture, stairs, and more. This feature allows for versatile cleaning options, making it easier to reach difficult areas without needing to move heavy furniture or compromising on the cleanliness of your living space. Anti-allergen complete seal technology. This advanced technology works in conjunction with a HEPA filter designed to efficiently trap dust and allergens within the vacuum cleaner. This ensures that the air released back into your home is free from microscopic particles, which is particularly beneficial for allergy sufferers and those with respiratory issues. Number 5. Shark Detect Pro Lift Away. Cleans debris better than the Dyson Ball Animal 3, based on a comprehensive geometric mean of various combined tests that include the IEC 62885-2 Sector 5.3 Forward, FWD, IEC 62885-2 Sector 5.3 Reverse, REV, IEC 62885-2 Sector 5.5 Forward, FWD, and IEC 62885-2 Sector 5.5 Reverse, REV, methodologies. The DuaClean Detect feature utilizes an innovative two-brush roll system equipped with 4 advanced sensors that automatically identify hidden dirt, debris, and hair. The Detect Pro technology enhances performance by adjusting suction power and increasing brush roll speed when it detects such persistent messes, ensuring maximum cleaning efficiency. So there you have it, the only 5 upright vacuums worth your money in 2026. Remember, the number 3 spot might be the perfect balance of power and price for most homes. Every single model we recommended, along with their specific bundle deals and replacement parts, is linked below in the description. If this testing saved you from a costly mistake, do me a huge favor, smash that like button, it tells YouTube this testing matters. Share this with someone who's about to buy a vacuum. And subscribe and hit the bell, because next week, we're testing a viral, miracle, cleaning gadget that's flooding TikTok, and you won't believe what our cameras caught. Until then, breathe easy.